Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Huawei Matepad Paper and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, which should be in the left lower corner, and now in this left section we have to swipe down in order to find digital balance. Let's tap on it. As you can see, of course, if you will do it for the very first time, you will have to pick actually who will be using this device, so you or your child. It's of course up to you. And after that, you will be transferred to this digital balance. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. Under it, you've got the screen management, which is quite cool, and I will talk about it later on. First of all, I just wanted to show you that you can check some details about the screen time. So all we have to do is to simply tap on this section, and as you can see, we will be transferred to the graph, to the dashboard, which will show us how long we've been using this device in particular hours, or we can pick last 7 days, and of course a whole week will be shown. What's more, under the dashboard, we've got the app usage, so we've got particular apps and the time which we've spent on them. What's more, you can check the graphs which are only connected with the app. So for example, we can tap on the settings, and the dashboard will be focused only on the settings. The same situation with the dashboard for the last 7 days. Of course, after scrolling, you can check the unlocks, also the total extension time and number of extensions. And here, as I said, we've got the screen time management. You can set kind of away time and so on. So you can set the modes, which will help you to simply limit the usage of the apps or the device. So I highly recommend to use those options if you need the time to rest, if you don't want to be disturbed, and so on. You just want to have time for yourself without the device. Just set the away time, or app limits, or the screen time, whatever. Just have fun with this section because it is useful. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Huawei Matepad Paper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.